Crib mattresses can be a confusing purchase for some new parents. What does GREENGUARD Gold, GOTS, and EWG Verified mean? And what makes a mattress breathable? I'm Bailey, I'm a mom of 3, and here are 9 things you need to know before you shop for a crib mattress. Like car seats, crib mattresses are highly regulated for safety specs, like size, flammability, and some chemicals, which we'll get into in just a minute. The 2 biggest things to look for are a firm, flat surface and a nice snug fit between baby's mattress and their crib. You shouldn't be able to fit more than 2 fingers into the gap. And when you put pressure on the mattress, if it springs back quickly or your immediate thought is, wow, my joints could never, that's the level of firmness that you're looking for. If you're buying a mattress like this Naturepedic one, or any of the crib mattresses on Babylist for that matter, any standard size crib mattress should fit a standard size crib. Typically, crib mattresses fall into one of 2 categories, innerspring or lightweight. Innerspring mattresses will have metal coils like a traditional adult mattress, and the higher the number, the firmer the mattress. For example, Naturepedic's crib mattresses are either 150 or 252 coil support, which is some of the highest coil count you'll find in crib mattresses. Lightweight mattresses, on the other hand, can be made of a variety of materials, from foams like polyurethane to a food-grade polyethylene. While they offer similar firmness, if you're concerned about things like off-gassing, a polyethylene mattress might be a better fit for you, and I'll get into why in just a minute. The big differences between innerspring and more lightweight mattresses are durability, weight, and price. Innerspring mattresses are often more durable thanks to the spring support, but they tend to be heavier and more expensive than their lightweight counterparts. But a lightweight mattress is often more accessible, both for price point and for parents who can't lift as heavy of a mattress for sheet changes. Infants need a firm, flat surface to sleep on, but as your baby grows into their toddler years, that sleep surface doesn't need to be quite as firm. So rather than upgrade their mattress in a few years' time, dual side or dual firmness mattresses offer varying firmness levels, allowing you to use the firm side for infancy and then flip your mattress over for toddler life. This is especially handy if you plan on converting your crib into a toddler bed, since the mattress size won't change. One other bonus is that the toddler side of the mattress has reinforced edge support, which means extra mattress strength, which is helpful for jumping and exploring toddlers. Some brands make mattresses that are mostly air, so if you stick your face into it, you can breathe through it, while other designs encourage more airflow around your baby. Some mattresses do a little bit of both by creating an airflow layer between the mattress and the baby. Most breathable mattresses are made breathable by getting rid of waterproofing, but that can introduce a different complication. Even if a mattress is super lightweight and permeable, if moisture gets inside and mold grows, that inherently makes your baby's space less breathable, and that includes how your mattress is designed too. For example, Naturepedic's breathable crib mattresses feature seamless waterproof edges that not only keep moisture out, but with no thread holes for things to slip through, they also keep dust mites and bed bugs out too. You can also add a waterproof mattress cover before you add your baby's crib sheets for extra protection. So let's break down all those other terms and what they mean. GOTS is a textile standard for products containing organic fibers, like organic cotton. Anything in the baby aisle with a GOTS label must contain at least 70% certified organic fibers, meaning natural fibers that have been grown without using synthetic pesticides, herbicides, or GMOs. And if the label also says organic, like all of Naturepedic's crib mattresses, then it has to contain a minimum of 95% certified organic fibers. Apart from lead content and phthalates, one thing that isn't as regulated in crib mattresses is the chemical content. So you might see third-party certifications on crib mattress brands like GREENGUARD Gold, Made Safe, or EWG Verified, which means they've undergone additional third-party testing for things like flame retardants or formaldehyde. For example, a GREENGUARD Gold certification focuses on keeping your baby's air quality healthier by keeping chemical emissions, especially the really toxic ones like formaldehyde, as low as possible. Made Safe, on the other hand, means it's been screened for over 6,500 ingredients like carcinogens, endocrine disruptors, neurotoxins, and other chemicals of high concern. And then there's EWG Verified, which considers both the chemical content and the environmental impacts of products. Naturepedic is actually the only crib mattress to be EWG Verified, which prohibits potentially harmful chemical flame retardants and fiberglass in crib mattresses, as well as PECs, and EWG also verifies good manufacturing processes, and full transparency in materials. Basically, since your baby spends so much time in their crib, those extra certifications and verifications help ensure that the surface they sleep on is made using the strictest and most up-to-date chemical safety standards. We know it can be a little bit overwhelming to research crib mattresses for baby, so we hope this helped walk you through 9 things to think about, from breathability to GREENGUARD Gold certification. If you want to nerd out even more on crib mattresses, we'll drop some helpful links in the task description of the video. But for now, sweet dreams to you and baby.